Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of contemporary period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 257 up to part 12. This is part 13. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस जानना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए. प्रेस बेल आइकॉन सो दैट यू कैन गेट द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोस. Let's start question number 258. Which play of Brian Friel was premiered at the Abbey Theatre in Dublin in 1990? Again the question, which play of Brian Friel was premiered at the Abbey Theatre in Dublin in 1990? Option A, The Freedom of the City. Option B, Philadelphia, Here I Come. Option C, Dancing at Lugnasha, and option D, Making History. So option C is the correct answer. Now question number 259. Geoffrey Hill's funeral music has been eschewed in favor of poor modernist play. Option A, King Log. Option B, Marcian Hyman. Option C, Tenebrae. Option C, The Trump of Love. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, King Log. Now question number 260. Alice Dare wrote two ambitious plays wherein he reimagines Glasgow drawing from the English and Scotch Gothic tradition. One of the novel is A Life in Four Books. Name the other one. Option A, Lupercal. Option B, Making History. Option C, Poor Things. And option D, Serious Money. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, Poor Things is the correct answer. Option C, Poor Things is the correct answer. Now question number 261. Amsterdam, a diagrammatic and dispiriting study of euthanasia, published in 1998, was written by option A, Geoffrey Hill. Option B, Ian McEwan. Option C, Philip Larkin. And option D, Derek Mahon. So option B, Ian McEwan is the correct answer. Now question number 262. Who began her literary career in 1985 with the publication of Oranges Are Not the Only Fruit, a bitty perceptive study of a provincial childhood in a Bowman-dominated confines of an evangelical Christian sect. Option A, Rebecca Best. Option B, Elizabeth Bowen. Option C, Barbara Pm. And option C, Janet Winterson. So option D is the correct answer. Now question number 263. The Swimming Pool Library, The Folding Star and The Spell are the novel of an abominably gay fiction writer. Option A, Julian Barnes. Option B, David Lodge. Option C, Along Hollinghurst and Ian McEwan. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Alan Hollinghurst. Now question number 364. The first historical novel that Queen Cure was written by Charles Palliser in 1989. Name his second historical novel that he wrote in 1999. Option A, The Unburied. Option B, Hawksmoor. Option C, Flambert Parrot. And option D, Dan Leno. Leno. So the correct answer is option A, the unburied. The unburied. Now question number 265. Who wrote the Last Testament of Oscar Wilde? Option A. Alasdair Gray. Option B. Brian Freire. Option C. Peter Ackroyd. Option D. Ian McEwan. So option C. Peter Ackroyd is the correct answer. Now question number 266. Who is the central character in Salman Rushdie's famous novel Midnight's Children? Who is the central character in Salman Rushdie's famous novel Midnight's Children? Option A. Abdul Ghaffar. Option B. Salim Sinai. Option C. Meera Menon. And option D. None of the above. So option B. So, Salim Sinai is the character in Salman Rushdie's famous novel Midnight's Children. Now, question number 267. Identify the novel of Salman Rushdie which has been interpreted by many Muslims as his deliberate blasphemy. Option A. The ground beneath her feet. Option B. Sour sweet. Option D. The moor last sing. And option D. Satanic verses. So option D. Satanic verses is the correct answer. Now question number 268. Who wrote the novel An Artist of the Floating World, portraying an aging painter's awareness of as also his detachment from the political development of 20th century Japan? Option A. Joe Orton. Option B. Achebe Chinua. Option C. Doris Geising. And option D. Ishiguro. Kajuro Ishiguro. Option D is a correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. So listen again and again these questions so that you can answer any question. Now question number 269. Which of the following is written by Louis D. Berniers? Which of the following written by Louis D. Berniers? Option A. The Remains of the Day. Option B. Senior Bibo and Coca Lord. Option C. Sexing the Cherry. And option D. The Comfort of Strangers. So which one is the correct answer? Sorry. The correct answer is option B. Senior Bibo and Coca Lord. Option B. Senior Bibo and Coca Lord is the correct answer. Now question number 270. In 1999, which writer was chosen as the British personality of the millennium by listeners to a popular news program? Option A. Shakespeare. Option B. Wordsworth. Option C. T.S. Eliot. And option D. Bernard Shaw. So option A. Shakespeare is the correct answer. Now question 271. The moral that world is not the reasonable place we are led to believe, and that all power corrupts, and that one had to live with the darkness of man's heart is conveyed through option A. Heart of Darkness. Option B. Setting the World on Fire. Option C. Lord of the Flies. And option D. None of the above. So option C. Lord of the Flies is the correct answer. Now question number 272. The play Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are dead was written by option A. Arnold Basker. Option B. Tom Stoppard. Option C. Harold Pinter. And option D. Joe Orton. Joe Orton. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Tom Stoppard is the correct answer. Now question number 273. Which of the following book that was rather used as the handbook by the novelist is or are written by Sigmund Freud. Option A, interpretation of dreams. Option B, bit and its relation to the unconscious. Option C, psychopathology of everyday life. Option D, all the above. All the above. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, all the above is the correct answer. Now question number 274. Which novel of Graham Greene deals with the pre- persecution of Catholic in Mexico? Again, which novel of Graham Greene deal with the persecution of Catholic in Mexico? Option A, The End of the Affair. Option B, Travels with My Aunt. Option C, The Power and the Glory. And option D, The Comedians. The Comedians. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, The Power and the Glory. Option C, yes, sorry. Option C, The Power and the Glory is the correct answer. The Power and the Glory. Take option C, The Power and the Glory is the correct answer. Now question number 275. What is the real name of George Orwell? George Orwell का रियल नेम क्या था? एरिक ब्लेयर. ऑप्शन सी एरिक एम्बलर. ऑप्शन सी एरिक एवेंस. एंड ऑप्शन डी स्मिथ. So the correct answer is option A, Eric Blair. Now question number 276. Who is the movement poet? Who is the movement poet? Option A, Philip Larkin. Option B, Ted Hughes. Option C, T.S. Eliot. And option D, W.H. Auden. W.H. Auden. So the correct answer is option A, Philip Larkin is the movement poet. 277. Who was the winner of 1967 Nobel Prize for Literature? Who was the winner of 1967 Nobel Prize for Literature? Option A, Seamus Heaney. Option B, T.S. Eliot. Option C, Henrik Boll. Option C, Miguel Angel Austria. So the correct answer is option D. Who was the winner of 1967 Nobel Prize for Literature? Option A, Seamus Heaney. Option B, T.S. Eliot. Option C, Heinrich Ball. Option C, Miguel Angel Australia. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, Miguel Angel Austria is the correct answer. Now dear friends, question number 278. The archetypal approach is associated with option A, William Emerson. Option B, Northrop Fryer. Option C, Philip Larkin. And option D, Elizabeth Bowen. So which one is the correct answer? Option B, Northrop Fryer is the correct answer. Dear friend, this is the last question of this video. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हो तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके. ऑप्शन Question number 279. Who said the words of the dead man are modified in the guts of the living? Option A, W.B. Yeats. Option B, T.S. Eliot. Option C, W.H. Auden. And option D, Stephen Spender. So option D, Stephen Spender is the correct answer. Dear friends, these are the question of this video. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के आए हों तो पसंद आए हैं तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक